Pawnbarian, how to play. The object of the game is to eliminate all the monsters on each floor in the dungeon. Hover over anything to see a description. Each turn you will play cards from your hand to move your hero with the movement of the chess piece played. For a refresher of those piece movements, check out this video. At the start of each turn, you will draw 3 cards and are allowed 2 moves. The number of moves you have is indicated by the yellow symbols below the bottom right of the board. Click a card, then the space on the board you want to move to. If you use a card with a lightning bolt symbol, you will gain an extra move and draw 1 card from your deck. The cards remaining in your deck are in the top left. If you run out of cards, then your discard becomes a new deck. Moving to an enemy space will attack and destroy it. However, some enemies have special abilities that make them harder to kill. If you play a card with a red splash symbol, then, after moving, you will attack each adjacent space as indicated by the pattern. Both patterns on a card mean you will attack every adjacent space. When you have completed your moves, your turn ends. If you are unable to complete moves or want to skip moves, click the End Turn button or press the spacebar. At the end of your turn, you discard all your remaining cards in your hand and then take damage as indicated by the red icon on the space you occupy. Each red line indicates 1 heart of damage. A skull indicates you will take 4 or more damage. If you play any cards with a shield on them, then you will be protected from 1 damage per shield you have until your next turn. After taking damage, if any, all the monsters will move. Then it is your turn. You do not take damage at the end of the turn when you win the floor. Pawn cards are not allowed an initial double-step move, nor en passant. If you are on the top row when you have a pawn in your hand, or if you have 3 pawns in your hand at the same time, then the rightmost pawn in your hand will promote to a queen until played or the end of the floor. The yellow bag in the top of the screen indicates how much gold you have, and everything to the right of it is the loot you will gain after winning the floor. The crystal heals 1 heart, and each yellow nugget is worth 1 gold. After each turn, 1 loot you would earn is lost. You also gain 1 gold for each monster you kill unless that monster was spawned from another monster. Gold in your bag is saved until you spend it. After each floor, you get to visit the shop and upgrade your cards by moving your hero to the desired upgrade. A heart upgrade increases your total number of hearts. Move to the stairs to begin the next floor. As you play, you can unlock more heroes with different cards and abilities.